What's up, YouTube? It is your handy homegirl Danny, and this is Danny Did It. This is a channel exclusively dedicated to showing you how to do just about any and everything. While right now I'm in my garden spirit, I thought it would be a great day to show you my balcony garden tour. A couple of people have asked me for it, and I know it is a growing community because everybody doesn't have access to outdoor yard space. And so if you got a balcony, then you got space to grow. So let's just get right into it. And so before we get started on the tour, I just wanted to give you guys a quick disclaimer. My porch is currently under construction. So right now there are no railings where there definitely should be, but it gives me an opportunity to put all of my plants out on the balcony so that they can get some much needed sun. It's been a little bit rainy here the last few days, and they have been locked in the house because of the construction that's been going on. And so, like I said, it's a beautiful sunny day. We are in a zone 8 growing area, and so I just wanted to show you guys what all I have going on. So first up, we've got some sugar snap peas. I have like a makeshift trellis that I have created, so you can see some of them are growing right up the trellis. Some of them are dying out a little bit, and I am concerned. This is my first year gardening, so I have absolutely no experience with growing any of these vegetables, but I have been doing my extensive research, so hopefully these babies are not in too bad of a shape and that we will be harvesting some peas this season. This is my snake plant Phoebe. I'm not quite sure about this little baby that is growing out. I did some research and they say that sometimes you will get a white flower that grows with the snake plant, not very often. And like I said, this is something totally out of the ordinary for me, so I'm wondering if that is the white flower. That would be super dope if it is. So this is a golden pothos that I got from one of my clients. I named her Paige, and today I just put this little stick in there to try to pin her up or something. I guess that's what you want to call it. Trying to not get no shadows, but this is one of my caladium pots. I am a very aesthetic gardener, so this leaf here as well as this leaf here with this yellow will be getting trimmed off in just a moment. I do like all of my leaves to look very beautiful. This is a 17-gallon bucket that has mammoth colocasias in there. I planted them on the 14th of May, and we are starting to see some growth here. We've got another baby popping out right here, and this guy over here as well. So I'm super excited. I absolutely love colocasias. They have quickly become my very favorite plant to grow, and so make sure you're subscribing to this channel because I will be giving updates as she is growing. Also, I've grabbed a ton of gladiola bulbs. They are 4 in a pack at the Dollar Tree, so for $1.25 to get 4 bulbs, that is absolutely amazing. So I've got some red gladiolas, I've got yellow gladiolas, I got pink gladiolas. Right now this is my okra bin, and you can see I have staked those up as well. They are seeming to do pretty good for now. Also hoping to harvest some of those this growing season as well. These are some stargazer lilies that I planted back on the 16th of April. Unfortunately, Silva knocked her over yesterday, and I had to repot, so hopefully that didn't cause too much damage. I'm not really seeing a lot of growth with this, but yeah, they are my favorite flower, so hopefully I do get to see some of those. This here is my diva plant, my fiddle leaf fig, and I have named her Poppy. She is one of my first house plants that I received. Today is actually her first day outside. Again, just because it's a very nice day, I thought that I'd give her a little bit of sunshine. I did remove 2 of the bottom leaves, and one of them fell off by themselves, and you can see right there So hopefully we get some new growth. I'm actually going to do a video on notching fiddle leaf figs very soon. So again, make sure you're subscribing to this channel so that you don't miss any of that plant content. And let me be careful here. So this is my bird of paradise. This is my bird of paradise. It came in a very smaller pot that I received as a gift, and I recently repotted into a bigger one, but I still kept both of the plants in together. I've got some igloo lettuce that's growing. This is the head kind of lettuce, so I'm not sure that I have it in the correct container. I will be doing some more research and repotting if I have to on that one. So again, these are some red gladiolas and pink gladiolas. Gladiolas are everywhere. They grow the green foliage. They grow up to about 4 or 5 feet, which is awesome. And then it takes about 90 days for the flowers to actually bloom. So we're looking for sometime in August. And then, as I mentioned, because I am completely over the top obsessed with colocasias, I've got a jumbo colocasia here that I planted, and you can see a new leaf is starting to bloom. I mean, it was completely closed off this morning, and you can already see that it is starting to sprout. This one is a smaller variety that I received as a gift, and I mean, they come in all sizes from super small to jumbo to the mammoths. These are my carrots that I planted, and they seem to be in a well enough size container, and I'm hoping to see some growth there as well. And these little babies are my coleus. I think I did drop a video on that. If I haven't done so before I drop this garden tour video, then you will be seeing it soon. But these babies are looking really beautiful. These were the only ones that I was able to transplant out of the whole pack of coleus seeds that I started with. We've got some cilantro, and then this little baby is that basil that I had planted, and I did drop a video on that. So yeah. So again, as I mentioned, just because you have a small gardening space does not mean that you cannot grow things on your balcony or your porch. It is so rewarding to be able to see things grow from nothing. I absolutely love this gardening. Again, it is my first year, but I absolutely am obsessed. One thing I do love about the colocasias is because I tend to overwater plants. Like, I just look at them and I think that, you know, they're supposed to have water. And the great thing is colocasias absolutely love water. Like, they grow sometimes on ponds. So as long as they're not like soaking in water, watering them once or even twice a day when it's like temperatures are over 85, 90 degrees like it is today, then they absolutely love it. So I tend to just water them a lot and not really all of the rest of my plants. I hope you guys enjoyed my garden tour. If you guys are growing anything, I would love to hear what you guys have in your garden, whether it's in your backyard, raised garden beds, or a balcony or porch garden. Let me know in the comments below what kind of things you guys are growing this growing season. It's spring 2022. Again, we are in a zone 8 growing area, and I look forward to plenty of growth with these babies, and I look forward to hearing from you guys. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I'll see y'all in my next video.